Are you ready to transform your sleep with the perfect IKEA mattress? Stick around because today we're diving deep into the best IKEA mattresses, ranked from good to absolutely game-changing. In this video, I'll take you through 7 of IKEA's top mattress options, sharing honest, tested reviews packed with everything you need to know before making your purchase. Whether you're after firm support, plush comfort, or a hybrid design, I've personally tried and tested these mattresses to help you find your perfect match. From the budget-friendly to the luxurious, stay tuned to discover why some mattresses fell short while others soared, and which one ultimately deserves your money. Let's jump right in with number 7. 7. VESTERÖY Pocket Spring Mattress Medium Firm. Starting off the list is the VESTERÖY, a pocket spring mattress that IKEA touts as a solid, medium-firm option. Out of the box, the mattress feels well-constructed with individually wrapped coils designed to reduce motion transfer, a great feature if you share your bed with a restless sleeper. The medium-firm feel provides a decent balance of support and softness, which initially felt comfortable for side and back sleepers alike. However, after a few nights, I noticed the mattress lacks a bit of cushioning on top. The upholstery foam layer is thinner compared to others, which makes the surface feel a touch hard if you prefer more plushness. Also, over a couple of weeks, the mattress seemed to develop a slight dip in the middle, suggesting it might benefit from a mattress topper or rotating more frequently. On the upside, it has good breathability thanks to the pocket springs, which kept me cool during warm nights. The cover is removable and washable, which is always a plus for hygiene. While it's one of the more affordable spring mattresses at IKEA, if you're someone who sleeps primarily on your stomach or prefers a firmer feel with a moderate cushion, VESTERÖY might do the trick, though it won't wow you if you crave extra softness. In summary, VESTERÖY is a decent mattress with good support and cooling, but it falls short in plush comfort and long-term sag resistance. 6. VALEVÅG Pocket Spring Mattress Firm. Next up is the VALEVOG, positioned as a firm mattress with pocket springs designed to offer firm support and durability. When testing this mattress, I immediately noticed how much more rigid it was compared to VESTERÖY. This firmness is perfect if you prefer solid lumbar support, or if you're heavier and need a mattress that won't sag easily. The pocket springs do their job well, isolating movement and offering excellent edge support. I found it particularly helpful during the night when changing positions. The mattress provided a stable and solid base that never felt like sinking in. That said, the downside is that the firmness can be a double-edged sword. For lighter weight sleepers or those sleeping primarily on their side, VALEVOG felt almost too firm and left some pressure points on my hips and shoulders. The top foam layers aren't very thick, which means you might feel the coils a bit more than on other mattresses, something to consider if you're sensitive to that. Additionally, while the cover is removable, it's not as plush or soft as I expected, which detracted slightly from the overall luxurious feel. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward though, and its breathable design helps prevent overheating. In conclusion, VALEVOG is a sturdy, firm mattress, great for those who want no-nonsense support but might be too hard for people craving contouring comfort. 5. NÄSTABERG Mattress Topper. Moving on to the NÄSTABERG Mattress Topper, an excellent addition if you already have a slightly firm or basic mattress at home but want to add extra comfort without investing in a full replacement. This topper features a soft foam construction that adds just the right amount of plushness to your existing bed. What I love about NÄSTABERG is how it instantly transforms a firm surface into a cozy, cushioned sleep zone. It's fairly thick and provides gentle pressure relief for aching joints, making it perfect for side sleepers who need extra padding around their hips and shoulders. The topper also performs well in terms of breathability. It doesn't trap heat and keeps you cool throughout the night. Cover material is soft and hypoallergenic, which is ideal if you have sensitive skin or allergies. However, mattress toppers, including this one, might shift or bunch up if not secured properly, so you'll want to use fastening straps or a fitted sheet to keep it in place. Also, Since it's foam-based, some people might notice a slight new foam smell initially, but this faded quickly after airing it out. Overall, NÄSTABERG is a budget-friendly way to improve your current mattress's comfort without breaking the bank. Highly recommended if your existing mattress feels too firm or worn down. 4. ÅBROTTEN Foam Mattress, Medium Firm. Next, the ÅBROTTEN mattress offers a foam build with a medium firm feel that aims to combine support with pressure relief. Testing this mattress was a nice surprise. I expected foam to feel a bit stiffer, but the ÅBROTTEN delivers a balanced hug and bounce. What stands out is the mattress's layered foam design, which contours well to the body, especially around the shoulders and hips, without causing that sinking sensation some foam mattresses have. This makes it a favorite for people who want both comfort and firm underlying support. Durability is good here, as dense foam helps the mattress hold its shape over time. I noticed very little sagging, even after extended use. It's also a good choice for noise-sensitive sleepers, since foam is silent. No creaks or squeaks as you move around. Keep in mind that foam mattresses may retain body heat more than spring models, and ÅBROTTEN is no exception, though it's not excessively warm. For those particularly prone to overheating, a breathable mattress protector or topper might still be advisable. In summary, ÅBROTTEN is a strong contender for people who prefer foam mattresses looking for medium firm support with good contouring and quiet nights. 3. VÅGSTRANDA Pocket Spring Mattress, Medium Firm. VÅGSTRANDA is a popular pocket spring mattress from IKEA, and for good reasons. The mattress features individually wrapped coils combined with comfortable foam layers that create a harmonious balance between support and softness. What impressed me most during my testing was the reduced motion transfer. Even with a partner moving around a lot, I barely noticed any disturbances, which means it's perfect for couples. The pressure relief is excellent. The foam padding does a great job of contouring to curves and relieving tension points, making it very comfortable for side sleepers. The medium firm rating makes it versatile, enough to suit various sleeping positions and body types. Breathability is very good thanks to the spring core, which allows air circulation, keeping the mattress cool throughout the night. The fabric cover is high quality and removable for cleaning, which adds to the convenience. If I had to nitpick, the VÅGSTRANDA might feel a bit pricey compared to basic IKEA mattresses, but considering the comfort and durability, it justifies the investment. This mattress definitely belongs in the top tier. 2. VINGELEN Eurotop Hybrid Mattress, Plush. Coming in at number 2 is the VINGELEN, a hybrid mattress that blends foam comfort with pocket spring support. This plush Eurotop model immediately stands out for its luxurious feel combined with solid construction. Testing VINGELEN was a dream experience. The Eurotop layer offers a thick cushion of soft foam that gently cradles your body, reducing pressure points effectively. I found it especially relieving for my back and hips after long days, making it a fantastic option for side and back sleepers alike. Below the Eurotop lies a sophisticated pocket spring core that provides responsive support and excellent edge stability. The synergy between foam and springs ensures you get the best of both worlds, softness without feeling like you're sinking too deep. Temperature regulation is improved here as well, with the coil system allowing airflow, while the cover fabric has moisture-wicking properties, which helps maintain a fresh sleeping environment. While VINGELEN is priced higher due to its hybrid design, the quality and comfort you get make it a worthy splurge, perfect for people who want a plush, supportive mattress that lasts. 1. ÅNNELAND Hybrid Mattress, Medium Firm. And finally, the crown jewel, the ÅNNELAND Hybrid Mattress. This is IKEA's top-tier mattress offering, and it's easy to see why. ÅNNELAND combines advanced pocket springs with high-resilience foam and memory foam layers to create a perfectly balanced medium-firm mattress suitable for nearly every type of sleeper. From the moment I laid down, I felt superior contouring and support in all the right places. The quilted top layer provides luxurious softness and pressure relief, while the pocket springs respond dynamically to movement, offering excellent spinal alignment throughout the night. If you share your bed, the motion isolation is superb. My partner's tossing and turning never disturb my rest. Durability is top-notch. After weeks of use, the mattress maintains its shape with no noticeable sagging or lumps. Breathability is enhanced by the hybrid design, keeping the mattress cool even on hot nights. Even the cover is thoughtfully designed. It's soft, removable, and washable for practical long-term care. Overall, ÅNNELAND stands out as the ultimate IKEA mattress, an elegant fusion of comfort, support, and durability. If you want to invest in a mattress that will transform your sleep quality for years to come, ÅNNELAND is the one to go for. Final thought. There you have it, a comprehensive look at the best IKEA mattresses, from the budget-friendly VESTERÖY to the luxurious ÅNNELAND. Whichever you choose depends on your personal preferences for firmness, materials, and budget, but with these insights, you're definitely one step closer to better sleep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews and sleep tips.